Using casting resin and molds is a great way to dress up your piece. Casting resin comes in 2 bottles, side A and side B. You mix equal amounts of the casting resin parts A and B in a cup and mix for 30 seconds. When thoroughly mixed after 30 seconds, you can pour into your little molds. Make sure when you're pouring the liquid into your molds that you're not over pouring. You want the backs of the molds to be flat, not like a bubble. Make sure to move fairly quickly when pouring your resin molds. This is to ensure that you use up all of your product. This product will harden in the cup that you're using to pour from. Amazing casting resin will harden inside of your molds in 5 to 10 minutes, turning completely white when hardened. By removing the resin molds before they're completely hardened, you're able to bend and keep them malleable. If you wanted to use these on a curved surface, now's the time to do it before they harden into a rock-solid shape. Once you have taped on your resin molds to harden to the surface, wait until completely dry before you start painting.